And as the state begins a new phase in vaccinating seniors 65 and up, we're getting new numbers on the vaccine here in Michigan.
As of today, a little more than 584,000 doses have been delivered to our state, with about 233,000 shots so far going into arms.
And demand to get the vaccine was so high it crashed Beaumont's scheduling system over the weekend.
Now that system is back up and running, but there are still big concerns about the supply of vaccines. So we bring in Sean Lay. Sean, big concerns over day one of this new phase.
Breathtaking as this changes hour by hour today, Devin and Kimberly. Good evening to you. We're tracking the vaccine for you. Late today, the governor saying that she wants the state to purchase 100,000 doses of vaccine. As you mentioned, demand far outweighing supply, especially here locally. We'll dig into that. Beaumont Health System also ready to vaccinate tens of thousands of people if they can just get the doses in. Big news from Beaumont Health tonight. It needs 34,000 COVID-19 vaccine doses.
I need that much vaccine to keep going.
Or it will run out by next Tuesday. So many people signed up for vaccinations over the weekend with their Beaumont providers. Chief Operating Officer Carolyn Wilson had to give the order to increase computer server capacity on the fly. And they did.
What I say to them is, I need everybody to be able to get onto their My Beaumont chart and make this appointment, make that work for us. And so they tripled our capacity over the weekend.
Last week,
we had more vaccine and more nurses ready to give it than we had arms.
This week,
now we have lots of arms and we need more vaccine.
The Beaumont Service Center in Southfield can vaccinate 3,000 people a day. Beaumont is ready to add more sites north and south to expand coverage. It needs to hear from the state that more vaccines are on the way.
So our concern is that the state is now sending vaccine to so many locations that we're worried that there could be some vaccine in freezers not being given. And we have the capacity and the people, right? And so part of it is the state figuring out how many locations to send vaccine to, and will they all give it in a timely way.
Interesting talk there with Beaumont COO Carolyn Wilson. She's also an RN. She herself has been administering vaccine the last 2 to 3 weeks. She says firsthand how vital this moment really is. Also, Beaumont moving ahead with expanding to additional vaccine sites, at least 2, one north, one south, to handle 50,000 people a week. But that's only if the state is able to deliver those doses. We dig down deeper tonight at 6 o'clock, guys. Which county has vaccines, which ones don't, and what the major concerns are as we stand here right now.
Yeah. Okay, Sean, we appreciate it, and we'll talk to you a little bit later.